Once in a time, before the Second World War, I lived in Poland. The city, small city, they used to call it Komarów Lubelski. Go away. We wish you a lot of luck, successful. You should come back another time. Early in the morning, the winter is gone. And the wind slowed down. Then the spring came in. The sun arrived. The sun came out and shined. And the bird, the ducks, the pigeons started to fly.
It's always been a puzzlement to me as to my own survival, being that I was kind of sick child when so many around me have not survived, some after the war. Unfortunately, everyone is gone right now except for my brother Benjamin and myself. The She was like my second mom, always taking care of me and always making sure that I was eating, always being the right arm to my mom. It's it's strange that I don't recall my sister Rizel being so helpful. I don't know whether that's true. She may have been, I just don't remember. But your mom was very knowledgeable and was a good cook, a good baker, and and a good sewer. Um, I know that